marries a woman according to our tradition
Peter
is the honor of that woman.
God will bless. Hey, God will bless you. God will bless you. Stop that nonsense.
Yes, not finished judgment. Get up.
God will bless you. That is what I want to hear.
Mr. Peter,
Yes, Chief.
you have to come with your people.
Okay, Chief.
So that you can take over your wife.
Oh!
I don't have anything to say in this case since this boy always claimed that he's wise. I went to him. I have the gods. Asked him come and let us have father and son dialogue. I didn't know that he asked this boy to video me secretly and post on social media. That's some social media that was run up to this time.
Pregnant her. Just one night with Odogwu, pam, she got pregnant.
Okay.
And now you are here claiming the baby. My dear, you are impotent. You cannot pregnant a woman. Sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
How long have you been married to Comfort?
Good.
3 years plus.
Oh, 3 years.
Yes.
That is enough time for you people to have like 3 children. If you wanted to.
Yes.
Now, when Comfort left the house, did she tell you that she was pregnant?
Good.
Please answer the question. Don't waste our time here.
The way you're...
Go straight to the point. When Comfort left your house, was she pregnant?
I don't know if you want to side
Answer
that question.
Yes,
Your man. Yes, sir.
he's on the right side.
And where are your people?
Right side.
Okay, sir, they were supposed to be here, but he refuses to come for like several times, 2 times or thereabouts. They have to attend their other businesses. I can't stop them, but I've been trying to call them while I was here. He said they will come, so I'm still expecting them.
Okay, let's hear from you.
Because you want to your wife, Abi? So after they collected everything, I paid so many things on I paid good.
So now these people now they've no tradition now. These people no tradition now. The same people now they've no tradition. Nothing you go do, I will come. I tell you, if I don't deal with you, I can't tell you. See. Okay, don't worry.
Ugaro dey promise me.
Sorry for being. Whatever. Odogwu.
You're welcome. Yes. Your man. Yes, sir. Stand up. And where are your people?
Okay, sir, they were supposed to be here, but he refuses to come for like several times, 2 times or thereabouts. They have to attend their other businesses. I can't stop them, but I've been trying to call them while I was here. He said they will come, so I'm still expecting them.
Okay, let's hear from you.
Okay. Sir, greetings to you, my highness, and your cabinet.
You're welcome.
My name is Peter, and I will be very brief because I don't want to keep his highness for too long. I had a little misunderstanding with my wife. Just a little misunderstanding, and it's a normal thing. She moved out from the house. We tried to settle each other. I called her. That early stage, she was picking my calls. Hopefully, she was going to come back. All of a sudden, she stopped picking my call. I tried to call her. Each time she sees my number, she blocks any line that comes from me reaching her.
Okay.
Severally, I tried and tried. It doesn't work. I was very sick for complete 6 months plus. My wife could not come or call or send a text message. I tried to reach her. My cousins and my family members were worried. At the point, they even asked me to stop. That maybe she will come on her own time. But it was getting too much. I have to come back to bring my wife home. So that is why I'm here, my highness. Please, I want you people to look into this matter. Because my wife has changed completely. I don't understand her. All because of this little boy. This little boy have the mind to sleep with my own wife. And he's proud about it. He's not ashamed of himself.
No, you need to understand what you're saying.
Shut up. Don't say something here when we don't know.
That is the whole insult I keep receiving. To the point that my wife has to call me by my name. She now has the guts to call me by my name. I came back, okay, let's go back. We have to settle. Now this man is also I don't even know you. Look, you have to be careful. I did not come here for you.
Hey, that's what we are not for that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'm very sorry. All I want is just to go back with my baby and my wife.
Which baby?
My baby.
So your wife went out with babies.
I paid for her head. So I have every right over her and what belongs to her. This is my wife.
How long did you stay? Where you live with your wife?
My chief, I was completely sick for complete 6 months plus. Even in that illness, I tried to reach her in the little way I can.
Okay.
Yes, she's aware. If only she will open her mouth and say the truth.
Okay. Listen. How many days, how many months, how many years did you miss your wife?
Happy.
Let's see it.
My elder, after the little misunderstanding we had, when I tried to reach her, the first thing that happened was...
Answer the question. How many months? How many days? How many years? Stop ranting.
My chief, it was close to 6 months plus.
Shut up. 6 months. Okay, let me take it now.
I was sick. She was very aware of my illness, but she refused to come back to the house.
That's what? That's a slave.
You not
say my daughter to you.
My elder, please, I have some questions to ask.
Yes.
Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter.
Yes.
How long have you been married to Comfort?
3 years plus.
Oh, 3 years.
Yes.
That is enough time for you people to have like 3 children if you wanted to.
Yes.
Now, when Comfort left the house,
yes,
did she tell you that she was pregnant?
Comfort.
Please answer the question. Don't waste our time here.
The way you're...
Go straight to the point. When Comfort left your house, was she pregnant?
I don't know if you want to side
answer that question.
I am not siding anybody. Answer the question. Go answer the question. Was Comfort pregnant?
Madam, it's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Ask him. Sit down.
Let him answer the question.
I am not God that gives child. Yes, I am not God that gives child. But the only thing I know is that Comfort is my wife. If she's pregnant, it belongs to me. Yes.
You cannot answer the question straight to the point. You have been married to Comfort for 3 years.
Yes.
She has never for one day taken in for you.
Is that what she said? Or has she said something like that?
Comfort is here, she can speak for herself. She was not pregnant as of when she left your house. You've been married for 3 years, you cannot impregnate her. Just one night with Odogwu, bam, she got pregnant.
Okay.
Okay. And now you are here, claiming the baby. My dear, you are impotent. You cannot pregnant a woman. Sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
That is not what opportunity to ask questions. I did not want you.
That is the comfort husband.
Child.
That's number one thing you have to do. Let's hear from Ganda, my brother.
We know.
Me?
We know you.
My king, I don't have anything to say in this case since this boy always claimed that he's wise.
We know.
I went to him. I have the gods. Ask him come and let us have father and son dialogue. I didn't know that he asked this boy to video me secretly and post on social media. That's some social media that caused problem up to this time. So I don't have. Let him go and clean his mess, or whether clean or clean his mess. My hands and wash my. I have told him that I wash my hands off it. Face it.
That's okay.
Go and face it.
Odogwu, I think you heard what Ganda said. What can you tell us now?
I got to post on social media, even when I asked him not to.
It's okay now.
It's okay.
With due respect, for the fact where the papa of the pikin go say, you no get anything to say, for this mess where you don't bring, me put inside.
Who bring the mess? Don't insult me,
okay.
Don't insult me,
I allow you to.
Now we're exposing ourselves.
And you people are not saying anything.
Don't worry.
I don't like a. He said, you don't get him to talk. And I said, okay, he has something to talk.
I don't have anything to
You force
talk.
him to
You
talk.
will force me. Do I look at me?
It's okay. That's not my listen. If you know you have nothing to talk, you're not supposed to come this place today.
You are on order. I will slap this boy, you. That's what kind of insult is this?
That's all right. Go go.
I don't get problem with you.
No point me, oh. No point me, oh.
I don't think I don't get problem with him. I'm not dragging wife with him.
Okay.
Make you, I don't think I say, this girl has only maybe a few weeks or 1 month left to deliver. Make you wait, make this girl born this speaking. When she delivers, you come and carry your wife. It's not too much to ask.
Somebody's wife.
She don't like something for this
No
belly.
wonder it's not.
Make my wife put to bed.
Is it not for the raping you rap her?
No, for the pregnancy.
No, for the pregnancy. Bless you.
I for the pregnancy.
They ask you to wait.
For the pregnancy.
Was
If I don't get married,
They ask you to wait.
It was for rape, not for
Which
pregnancy.
rape?
It was for rape.
Have you ever seen a rape before?
Why are you crying?
when I pay something for the belly, when I know that she don't carry belly, or I know that she don't marry.
You carry goat. Let me tell you, I will carry goat. When you were there, you were there. You were there.
It was for raping comfort that you paid for. It was for raping comfort.
And maintaining the pregnancy.
You are treating you too much.
It's okay.
And this man even get mine, come in, say, I give us 700,000 naira to clean up the mess. If you say, I give us 700,000 naira to clean up the mess, mess will not put me. You know the other don't marry.
Was it the one that said to rape comfort?
You force him.
Did he ask you to go and rape his daughter? Why would you say that?
The truth will come out. The truth will come
Will
out.
you shut up and keep quiet and sit down there?
Which side you want?
Me, I am on the right side, oh. I am on the right side.
Take like that,
You think your wife? Fetch her.
I don't say the truth
I
will come
wanted to
out.
help you. Thought that
They ask me to go back. When they come, make I come back. Shame no dey catch you.
It's okay.
Shame no catch you. Make I go, come back.
Mr. Peter.
If like say something dey worry you.
These are you.
I don't think I will deal with you.
Deal with my friend.
Because I come alone. My people go come. They go come.
Not be your pikin. What kind of person pikin?
My people go come.
Hey, shut up.
You see, you came here to insult us.
My chief, I know I'm not insulting
Too
anybody.
much of you.
Audience, you are
Allow
coming
us
here
to give judgment
for
for
the
this
first time.
matter.
That is not the way
You
we
brought this
defend
matter
people.
here. Then why can't you allow us to give the judgment?
My chief, the way they are sounding is
What
as
do you
if they
mean?
want to betray me. I
Betray
don't
you
like.
by
I don't like the
When
way.
you have
Why didn't
already
you take your
betrayed
case to the
yourself.
police?
Jogo, have you
Listen
any
to us.
other thing
I'm
to
sorry.
say? Because we are going to give the judgment now.
What I have to say is that nobody tell him make it go. When this girl born, in few weeks time, 1 month time, he come back and carry his wife.
When
You
Peter
no get
wife
wetin to talk.
when Peter wife born,
Sit down
he come back and carry the wife.
As
That
what?
was it.
and listen to what
He
this
says you don't have
council
to
is going to tell you people.
Jogo, are you normal at all?
Jogo,
Forget
Hey,
that. Forget that.
let's
My king,
Moving on.
may you live long. Council of Elders,
Yes.
may you live long. Mr. Peter,
Yes, sir.
Odogwu,
Stand up, Odogwu.
we have heard you people.
right side.
Right.
Right side. On the right
This
side.
council
Right
is
side,
going
right.
to decide
Because
according to our custom and tradition.
the right full now.
A man that marries a woman
The right full now.
according to our tradition is the honor of that woman.
God will bless. God will bless you. God will bless you. Stop that nonsense.
Yes,
God
not
will
with
bless you.
judgment. Get up.
God will bless you.
Stand up.
That is what I want to hear.
Hear what?
You have not heard anything.
Oh, God, thank you.
Don't allow me to
Sorry.
say what I want to say. You start
Sorry.
to make noise here. Who are
Sorry.
you?
Chief, carry on.
From all indication, we have heard that Mr. Peter married Comfort.
Yes.
So it is normal thing in
Happy Christmas.
marriage that a husband and wife may have problem. But the only thing we discover is that Mr. Peter has not done well. The first thing, he could have reported their problem to the father-in-law.
Father.
So, but That notwithstanding, our decision here is that, Mr. Peter, since you are the right husband,
Yes.
to comfort.
Yes.
Mr. Peter,
Yes, Chief.
you have to come with your people
Okay, Chief.
so that you can take over here.
Oh, thank you. God
And your
will,
baby.
God will bless you. God will bless you. My chief, may you live long.
That is our tradition.
God bless you. God punish you. He won't collect what you know work for.
My friend,
This
don't
one,
know noise here.
this one is start. You go fit challenge me.
Keep quiet.
You go fit challenge me. If I can't fight me now,
You can't fight.
can't fight me.
Because you want to marry your wife, Abi? After they collected everything, I paid so many things on the I paid good.
So now, these people now, they've no tradition now. These people no tradition now. The same people now, they've no tradition.
Nothing you go do, I will come. I tell you, if I don't deal with you, I can't tell you. See, okay, no worry.
Promise me. I want to, if you come back, I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat you.
But that was just a makeup. Cannot give anybody the business. I know. However, you are great. I'm a hero. Unfortunately, the man of the year. Video telephone to the Pharaoh to me. I'm a man of the year. Thank you and God bless. And God bless the king and council of chiefs. My leader. God bless you for the support you all give to Peter. You are indeed a great verdict. Thank you and God bless you. Happy Christmas.